This podcast is about entrepreneurship, spirituality, and self-care. My name is Lourdes, and I am the host of the show. Thank you for listening today. Hey friends, it's Lourdes here. And today I want to talk about something that's been on my mind and in my heart for a while. Helping non-techie people navigate websites, Facebook, and online tools. And let me tell you, it's hard. I mean, I do this work because I want to help. I love helping people. But some days when I'm on Zoom with a client who's a brilliant teacher or an amazing life coach, and they just can't seem to grasp how to click the right button or log into their website, my heart honestly sinks. Not because I'm annoyed with them, not at all. It's because I feel bad for them. They're so good at what they do. They inspire people. They change lives. But when it comes to tech, they hit a wall. And here's the frustrating part as the tutor or guide. Even when I break it down step by step, and even when I show them and I slow down and repeat things, they get very overwhelmed. Their brain shuts down. And oh my goodness, I can see the panic in their eyes over Zoom. And deep down, I know they're thinking, why can't I get this? What's wrong with me? But here's the truth. Nothing is wrong with them. They're just wired for something else. Their gifts are in people work, not pixels and passwords. But what's extra tough is when they can't admit it to themselves. They keep saying, I should be able to do this. I just need more time. I just need to try harder. And meanwhile, they're wasting energy and time they could be putting into the work they love because they're stuck wrestling with tech that they hate. As the person trying to help, it's a balancing act. I want to encourage and empower them, but I also want to gently suggest, hey, maybe it's time to outsource this or get ongoing help so you're not stuck every time you need to update a page or make a post. The truth is, not everyone is cut out to understand website backends, plugins, SEO, or even Facebook settings. And that's okay. Just like I wouldn't walk into their coaching session or in their classroom and expect to master what they've spent years learning. They don't have to master tech to be successful. So, if you're listening and you are one of those people feeling frustrated, please hear me when I say it's not weakness. It's just a place where you can get help. You don't have to do everything yourself. And for those of us on the helper side, let's keep our patience, our compassion, and maybe help them set up systems or get reliable support so they can stay in their zone of genius and leave the tech headaches behind. So friends, thank you for tuning in today. If you've got your own stories or frustrations about helping non-techie folks, or if you are that non-techie person, I'd love to hear from you. Drop me an email or a message and let's keep this conversation going. I hope that you enjoyed this podcast and please share this episode with your friends. Please subscribe, rate, and review this episode. Thanks for listening.